Matthew 21. As Jesus and his disciples neared Jerusalem, them come reach Bethphage for Mount Olives. So Jesus sent 2 disciples come tell them, make una go the village where they una front. Una go see one donkey and him pikin where them tie for there. Make una lose them and bring them come meet me. If anybody ask, why una they lose the donkey them? Make una answer, the oga need them and they go bring them come back now. This thing happened so that waiting the prophet talk go be true. Tell Zion people, see, una king they come meet una. He humble himself, consider on top donkey. The disciples come go do as Jesus tell them. Them bring the donkey, come put their cloth, make Jesus for sit down on top. Many people spread their cloth for road. Others cut palm leaf, come spread them for road too. People where they go for Jesus front and them where they follow him for back, come they shout, praise David pikin. The person will come with God name, God will bless him. Make we praise God where they heaven. As Jesus entered Jerusalem, the town scatter and people come they ask, who be this? People where they follow Jesus come say, this na Jesus, the prophet from Nazareth where they Galilee. Then Jesus entered the temple area, come drive all the people where they buy and sell inside the temple. He scatter the table and chair where the people they take change money and sell dove. Jesus come tell them, God word say, them go call my house prayer house, but una don't turn them to where thief they hide put. Jesus heal people way blind and those way no fit walker inside the temple yard. But when the priest oga them and the law teachers see the wonderful things where Jesus they do and hear children they shout, praise David pikin for inside the temple, them come they vex. So the priest oga them and the teachers come ask Jesus, you they hear waiting them they talk? Jesus answer them, yes, una never read, say, na children and small pikin where they suck breast go praise God. Jesus can't leave them go Bethany, can't stay there till daybreak. For early morning, as Jesus they go back to the town, he can't they hungry. He see one fig tree for road, can't waka go where he dey, but he no see anything pluck because na only leaf the tree get. So he can't tell the tree, you no go ever bear fruit again. At once, the fig tree can't begin die. When the disciples see waiting happen, them surprised can't say, waiting make this fig tree quick die like this. Jesus answered them, I tell you na true word. If una get faith and una know the doubt, una no go only do wetin happen to this fig tree, but if una tell this mountain, make you move go inside the sea, e go go. If una believe, una go get anything wey una ask for when una pray. After Jesus entered the temple, the priest oga them and the elders come ask am when he dey teach, say, na which power you take dey do all these things and who give you the power? Jesus answered them, I wan ask una one question. If una answer me, then me sef go tell una which power I take dey do these things. Where John baptism come from? Na from heaven or people? Them come dey talk about the matter among themselves, say, if we say na from heaven, he go say, then why una no believe am? But if we say na from people, we dey fear the people because them believe say na prophet John be. So them answer Jesus, we no know. Jesus come tell them, me sef no go tell you na which power I take dey do all these things. Wetin una think? One man gets 2 boys. He tell one, my pikin, go work for my farm today. The boy answer, I no go. But after, he change him mind, come go. The papa can tell the other boy the same thing. This one can answer, I go sir, but he no go. Which of the 2 children do wetin their papa want? Them answer, na the first one. Jesus can tell them, I tell you na true word. Tax collectors and ashawo them go first to na enter God kingdom. John the Baptist can show una the true road and una no believe am. But tax collectors and ashawo them believe am. Even when una see all these things where I do, una still no change una mind, come believe God. Make una hear another parable. One man plant vine for him farm, fence am round, dig pit where them go fall to press the fruit where them go take make wine, and build where security go stay. Then he rent the farm, give farmers, come travel, go far place. When harvest time reach, he send them servants, go meet the farmers, make them give am in own share. But the farmers seize the servants, beat one, kill one, and stone the other one. Then the man can send some other servants where they plenty go meet the farmers, and them do the same thing to them. At last, he send in own pikin go. They think say, maybe them go respect him pikin. But when the farmers see the boy, them can't tell each other, the landlord pikin we go inherit him papa property after him don die, na him dey come so. Make we kill him and collect wetin go be him own share. So them seize him, throw him comot from the farm, come kill him. When the man we get the farm go come, wetin una think say he go do those farmers? Them answer Jesus, he go destroy those evil people. Then he go hire the farm, give other farmers wey go give am wetin be im own share when harvest time reach. Jesus come tell them, una never read God word say, the stone wey the builders reject don become the pillar. This na God work and e dey wonderful for our eye. Na this make I tell una say, dem go take God kingdom from una and dem go give am to people wey go bear the kind fruit wey e want. The person wey fall for this stone go scatter, and the person wey the stone go fall on top go grind to powder. When the priest oga dem and the Pharisee people hear Jesus parables, dem come know say e dey talk about them. So dem come dey try to arrest Jesus, but dem dey fear because the people believe say na prophet e be.
This na Greywood whispers, voice wey no loud but get sense.